All right, guys, welcome back. 22 Honda Civic right here with the 2-liter. This is the one that we got a impact on this side. Got hit smack right here. The whole frame was pushed in. The engine mount was damaged. Lots of problem on this thing. The door was sideswiped. And you can see here, I don't know if you can see that, but it's hard to see in the camera, but the tire is in an angle like this. It's probably like 8 degree in angle. It was crooked. Bolted down with a couple lug nuts in here. And the way how we figure out that it was wheel is crooked, this way is the space in between the rubber and the struts. It's probably like about ½ an inch on that side. And when we put another wheel right here, the space from the tire to the struts is probably will be about 2 inches. So it's tight on that side and then perfect on that side. So yeah, let's take this out. And we changed, this is a new but used struts. We thought it's the struts. We're trying to adjust everything in here. There's not much adjustment. It's all the way to the max. And we thought it's the struts because the struts has a curve already on the old one. There's a curve, so we changed that. Nothing that fixed. So to me, it's this knuckle right here. So we're just gonna replace everything. CV axle, the knuckle, the brakes, ball joint. We're just gonna take those out quick, and then we'll see how it goes. So you can see, it's hard to see from the camera, but we're just gonna quickly take this old one out, and then we'll replace it with the new one. New but used. Alright, so we're just gonna quickly take out the nut on the brake caliper bracket, the upper and lower nut.
It's 19 socket.
Alright guys, so we had to put the cover back on here with 2 bolts, just a hand tight K, because we had to take out this axle nut right here. We had to put the caliper in so that this rotor will not spin, because we will put this little big heavy duty screwdriver or piece of rod right here. It's gonna spin because we need to have the CV axle stay in here in the vehicle, because that one is shorter. This one came from a touring, so it's a 2023, same thing. The only thing, the difference is the CV axle. All right, so let's take out that axle nut. Oh, okay, it's spinning. Hold on.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there you go. Good job. Uh-oh. You okay? Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah, we need this one no need it.
This is the original one from the vehicle. This is the parts one. So this is the faulty one. We can tell. We're gonna do a little bit of measurement on this. So let's try to measure the caliper bracket holes right there to the knuckle. So put the measurement in the middle with that mark. And you can see on the other mark, it's probably about 5.5 inches. Okay, on the parts vehicle, there you go, same thing, 5.5 inches. So that's a good sign. And then the height of this right here, where the struts goes in. So let's just measure from the floor to here. So that's about 8 inches to me. 8 inches, a little shy than 8 inches. And this one is over, yeah, this one is 8.25. So that's good, because this one is bent. This one is under, it's about 7.75, and this one is about 8.25. It's about ½ an inch. Good. It's good now. This is a 36 socket. It's a big socket on this one. To torque this thing down is 134 foot-pounds. So we're just gonna bottom it out here when it's nice and snug. All right, nice and snug. It's bottom out. So we're gonna torque it to spec now, 134 foot-pounds. I'll put this little handy-dandy heavy-duty rod right here. If you wanna come this side, it's better to push down. There you go. Push down is better than pulling up. One more. All right, there we go, guys. Done. 134 foot-pounds on that with a 36 socket, deep socket. All right, so we're gonna double check before we put the tire back in. Make sure this shield right here is peeled out. I got a couple of vehicles came back because of the squeaky metal pieces rubbing onto the brake rotors. That was on a couple of vehicles. We get the cotter pin bent, ready to go. Brake hose, ABS sensor, nice and tight. Caliper is torque. Caliper bolts bracket is torque. Solid. Sway bar links. This is good. Struts. All right.
You tied this one.
We'll snug this one up. All right, I'm gonna torque it to spec, 9/16 on this one. All right, we got lots of gap right here. Look at this. Oh wow, that looks better.
Yeah.
Bro, that looks better. All right, so you can see right here, there's a lot of gap now. That's what we want. All right, so you can see that space in between the tire and the struts. That's what we want. That's about what? About 2 inches, 2.5 inches distance. Before it was like a quarter of a gap, so it's really tight. So this is it. That's it, guys. This is a fix. We're gonna go to the body shop. They're gonna do a wheel alignment on this. We're gonna check it out. Alright guys, so that's it. If you wanna give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe. We're gonna continue working on this and then we'll see how it goes.